Every meeting is important, regardless of its size. The Studio Small Room Kit from Poly and the new Poly Studio R30 all-in-one video bar are optimized for small meeting spaces. The system is easy to set up. Mount the USB soundbar onto the display and set the touch controller onto the conference table. With its 120-degree field of view, the Studio R30's camera can focus on everyone in the room. The Studio R30 fully supports Poly Director AI and smart camera framing, such as speaker framing and group framing, so that everyone in the room is equally represented in every meeting. The camera tracking and framing technology complement the Microsoft Teams Rooms video features, such as gallery view and front row layout. The Studio R30's speaker fills the room with rich, clear sound, while noise-blocking technologies keep the unnecessary and distracting noises out of your meeting. Learn more about the Poly Studio R30 and Studio Small Room Kit by visiting poly.com.